an increasing number of families tend to use the electric toilet seat, while our product has a unique function, the enema spa. Such a function can generate a strong water flow to open the anus naturally, and the clean water spraying into the user's rectum is the best lubricant, which can soften and resolve dry and residual waste, and then remove it. The enema spa uses the non-inserted physical method to make users' defecation more comfortable and easier. Hot water cleansing after defecation has long been a healthy concept in Western developed countries. Similarly, an electric bidet with the Catharsis function has become a necessary health product in the families, which pay attention to the quality of life. Rear wash, the built-in powerful water pump with a 3-orifice nozzle, enables water discharge up to 1.5 liters per minute, washing hips like waterfall and removing waste just in seconds. Other brand products have no built-in water pump, or those with built-in water pump cannot generate large water flow, and their wash scope is limited as well. With thousands of bubbles in it, the water flow will not splash, enabling users to enjoy their rear wash, front wash, or female wash through the soft water flow generating by the 9 orifices with special matched angles. Such wash function cares for females' private parts. Catharsis, our patent flow control technology, can generate a special water flow to stimulate the acupuncture points around the anus and open the anus naturally. The clean water spraying into rectum can soften, resolve dry waste, lubricate rectum, and helps you to defecate very easily. Dryer. The comfortable hot air helps wet body to be dry and clean. 5 levels of air temperature are available. Auto heating seat. The temperature of seat can be adjustable in 4 levels, enabling user to be seated comfortably in cold winter. Over-temperature protection makes user free from low-temperature burns if one sits on it for a long time. Message. The water flow can be large and small alternately to imitate message. Nozzle reciprocation. The nozzle moves back and forth to enlarge wash scope. Auto night light. Such function can detect light automatically. When it becomes dark, the device will switch on. Therefore, you will not be annoyed or bother your family by strong light when you go to the toilet. UV LED. The built-in UV LED will switch on automatically at night or after you relieve yourself to sterilize more than 20 bacteria such as E. coli, providing 24-hour care for the health of you and your family. Nozzle self-cleaning. Before or after each use, the nozzle will be self-cleaning, keeping sanitary for the next user. Antibacterial nozzle. The silver ion spray can effectively inhibit bacteria from breeding. In addition, our product is also equipped with a precise water filter, which can not only filter impurities and incrustation, but also separate parasites and their eggs to make the water quality up to standard, caring for the health of your family in every detail. Deodorizer. When the bidet comes into use, the deodorizer starts up by active carbon. Water seal. When the toilet is unoccupied for more than 15 days, the device will release 1 liter of clean water to seal off stinks, in case that the water dries up and foul smells spread out. Body sensor. The built-in device is connected to a dual flushing system. An instruction will be given to the system to release small quantity of water after a male urinates. In contrast, the instruction of full discharge will be given after user's defecation. Let intelligence bring your life convenience